The Mogo Microfinance, Mogo Auto Limited, a Kenyan subsidiary of the global financial technology firm Eleving Group, a vehicle purchasing and access to financial solutions entity projected as a predatory Shylock-like lender, is embroiled in massive financial fraud, claiming and heaping complaints of overcharging clients for loan facilities obtained. Investigations by the Informer Media Group have established. In a blow-by-blow account of the complaints formally lodged with the Competition Authority of Kenya and a barrage of similar grievances raised by frustrated and aggrieved Mogo Microfinance clients, bear consistent grumble of exaggerated claims, overcharging and charging repayment of loan facilities obtained in US dollars despite having obtained in Kenya shillings. However, so far, neither the financial institution regulator, the Central Bank of Kenya, nor the Consumer Welfare Oversight Body, the Competition Authority of Kenya, have stepped in to address the claims. In one of the complaints registered with the CAK on April 8, 2023, and seen by the Informer Media Group, one of the complaints, despite having made monthly repayments for 7 months, when he requested for the balance to clear the loan facility, the amount issued was higher than the principal amount obtained. I wish to report a case I'm having with Mogo Microfinance. I have a loan facility which is up and running, though I have noticed that despite servicing the loan, whenever I request my loan balance, the figure I'm given is higher than the loan amount despite repaying. The letter adds that I took a loan of 658,000 Kenya shillings. I have made payments for the last 7 months in installments of 42,000 to 46,000 Kenya shillings. But this week, I asked them to give me a breakdown just in case I wish to clear the loan. And to my alarm, I was told I owe them 726,000 Kenya shillings. I find this absurd and it defies logic, as it does not indicate any progress of payment and defies loan calculator. I feel I'm being taken advantage of. Kindly assist me get justice in this matter. A complaint notice to CAK reads in part. However, when contacted for comment, CAK Acting Director General Adano Roba did not respond to our queries sent via email. Early this week, during the launch of the National Health Insurance Fund (NHIF) cover for boda boda operators, dubbed the Boda Boda Care, Nairobi Governor Johnson Sakaja called for President William Ruto's intervention to rein in on Mogo Microfinance, accusing the lender of terrorizing and exploiting boda boda owners with high interest rates, terming them as predatory lenders. The governor accused the lenders of impounding motorcycles despite operators paying more than 200,000 Kenya shillings in some instances. For instance, at Mogo and Watu Credit, someone buys a motorbike valued at 150,000. By the time of finishing paying, their value is 300,000. Sometimes, someone struggles to pay his debt, but when he falls sick and has paid 200,000, his bike is taken away, plus his 200,000. This is not fair, Sakaja told President Ruto. We want you to regularize the sector so that even as you give loans, there's need for humanity. The interest is too high. There's no way a person can pay 100,000 and his bike is impounded for failing to repay for a month. Your Excellency, we need your intervention, which will help.
Akinawa Mogo Credit, Watu Credit, mtu unanunua bike ya 150, by the time umelipa imekuwa ni 300,000. And you have to pay daily. Unapata saa ingine mtu amengangana amelipalipa, amekuwa mgonjwa wa 1 month, you even pay 200,000, unachotwa. Ile 200,000 umelipa inaenda. Hiyo sio utu. We want to ask for us to regularize that sector, so that even as you give the loan to na, utu kidogo, humanity, hiyo interest ni kubwa sana. Na pia muwe na, you can't, mtu hawezi lipa 300,000 ama 100 alafu akose mwezi moja ama mbili umnyang'anye. When we release the impounded bikes, karibu 500 hazikuchukuliwa kwa sababu mtu alisema hata akichukua ishachotwa, haina faida. So that on, Your Excellency, it is only intervention that will help us.
When contacted for comment, their initial response, Mogo Microfinance, Mogo Auto Limited Kenya Country Manager Domas Miniakis threatened to sue if the matter was highlighted. Hi, we can give you official answers to all these as general answers. All of these are already data protection breach from CAK. Generally, if you proceed to publish this, we will pursue both you and CAK in court. Especially, these are not true. He responded in a short text message. Separately, through a response sent via mail by Mogo Microfinance marketing manager Gavin Wanjala, admitted the microfinance using different currency denomination in loan advance to their clients. All boda loans are issued in Kenya shillings. For car and logbook loans, it is up to the customer to choose if they want their loan in USD or Kenya shillings. We offer lower interest rate for loans issued in USD. To clarify how the USD loan works, the payment schedule is always the same, i.e., 100 USD to be paid monthly for the loan term chosen by the customer. This amount is subjected to the current forex exchange rate. When the invoice is generated for each loan repayment, the current exchange rate between USD and Kenya shillings is considered and converted to the amount that was agreed, i.e., 100 USD to be paid in Kenya shillings. We convert to Kenya shillings to make it convenient for the customers because majority do not have USD accounts. And Mogo can offer a low interest rate since we also borrow in USD. Also, customers can opt to have their loan in Kenya shillings, which has a higher interest rate, but with no fluctuating payments due to forex. The Wanjala rejoinder reads in part.